Still now, here have too much Bangladeshi people. They are illegal.
Illegal, right?
Yeah,
That's the point.
yeah, they don't have a visa.
Visa, right? They just
So-
arrived in visit visa.
Visit visa.
After that, they got
Yeah,
illegal.
they are run away. Then they are illegal working here.
Still
Yeah,
they are working.
one guy working with me. They got now $250
Now it's
because this guy long time stay here now 17 years.
17 years.
17 years.
Don't he try to go Bangladesh?
Yeah, no, still there.
Because he's happy here.
Yeah,
That's the point.
yeah,
Washer,
yeah. Dishwasher,
cleaner.
cleaner.
Highest the boy.
Yeah,
But they're not getting job as like manager,
manager.
superior,
Yeah.
supervisor.
Mm.
People
But
like-
some people I see they are working long time in same hotel. Now they are working in reception also.
they are getting this place after 5 or 10 years.
5 or 10 years. Yeah.
When they are fluent in local language
Yes.
and able to talk with people in
People
English,
see English.
because there are whole Mapushi
Yeah.
in whole Maldives, you
Whole-
get national tourists, people
Yes.
from USA,
USA,
Canada.
Canada. Yeah.
No, brother, I can speak in English fluently. You understand English, right? I'm from Bangladesh. Okay. So how much time you are here in Maldives?
I think no 7 years.
7 years. Seriously.
Yes.
It's I must say you are here in Maldives from long time, right? So what about Mapushi Island?
It's very nice.
Very
Very safety island.
Yeah, I'm agree with you because it's too much safety. Please don't do that. You are looking very cool on this because when I upload this video, he must look good, right? Because his wife or anyone from
Yeah.
he can saw. And you are a good looking guy, I must say. Seriously.
Thank you.
So you work there, right?
Yeah.
In which sector?
I'm working in hotel.
In hotel. So can you please tell me, with your permission, there are also lots of Bangladeshi workers here. So how much they earn in month?
They are not salary. Some people they are getting before like 17 years, they are getting only $100.
Can you please hold this for me? The audio will be clear.
Yeah.
What about their earning in
Before I see in Bangladesh people, they are monthly salary. They are getting $100 also. I see.
monthly?
Yeah, monthly. One guy I see.
Are they legal job holder or illegal?
I see before. Still now, here have too much Bangladeshi people. They are illegal.
Illegal, right?
Yeah,
That's the point.
yeah, they don't have a visa.
They just
So-
arrived in visit visa.
Visit visa.
After that, they got.
Yeah, they are run away. Then they are illegal working here.
So they are getting only $100 per month.
$100 per month. I see.
Still
Yeah,
they are working.
one guy working with me. They got now $250
Now it's
because this guy long time stay here now 17 years.
17 years.
17 years.
Don't he try to go Bangladesh?
Yeah, no, still there.
Because he's happy here.
Yeah,
That's the point.
yeah,
Is he getting services from the
yeah.
That's the point.
That's the point. Yeah,
Basic is 250
250, but they are getting like 4,500 Maldivian rupiah
per month.
Per
After
month.
adding the service charge,
service
right?
charge. Yes,
Brother, with your permission, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
may I know your basic salary?
my basic salary is now $700.
$700.
Yeah,
You are from Nepal.
I'm from Nepal.
You are here in from 7 years.
7 years. Yeah, finished almost.
450. If I calculate the whole salary after adding the service charge,
Yeah,
your earning is around 800,
800, 900 like that. Yeah,
around 1000.
around 1,000.
Almost.
Like almost. Yeah,
So if I convert this amount in Bangladeshi taka, it's
Yeah.
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
It's a good salary.
Yeah, good salary. Same like Nepal also.
Same like Nepal.
Yeah, Nepal also.
May I know your education qualification?
My education is I clear in +2 in college.
That's the point.
Yeah.
From Bangladesh, people who used to
Yeah,
come there,
yeah.
they are not properly.
Not properly educated. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
If they look for a job,
Yeah,
they will get job like dishwasher,
yeah. Dishwasher,
cleaner,
cleaner.
highest boy.
Yeah,
But they are not getting job as like manager,
manager.
superior,
Yeah.
supervisor.
No.
People
But some people I see they are working long time in same hotel. Now they are working in reception also.
they are getting this place after 5 or 10 years.
5 or 10 years. Yeah.
When they are fluent in local language
Yes.
and able to talk with people in
People
English,
see English.
because there are whole Mapushi
Yeah.
in whole Maldives, you
Whole-
get national tourists, people
Yes.
from USA,
USA,
Canada,
Canada. Yeah.
Australia,
Australia. Now maximum guest is from China.
China.
Yeah, from China.
Recently, probably Indians are not visiting Maldives.
Yes, because they have some problem
They have
before.
some
Yeah.
political problem.
Political
So we are
problem,
not going to talk
Yeah,
about
not
this
yeah,
because
yeah.
it's sensitive
Yeah,
area.
sensitive. Yeah.
We are general
Yeah,
people,
we are
brother.
general, yeah,
We
yeah.
are just skipping this
Yeah.
that part. So if I talk overall, people who want to come in Maldives,
Yeah.
they should bring a valid visa.
Valid visa. Yeah.
if they come with a valid visa,
Yeah.
they will get a good job,
Good
right?
job, yeah, good
And
job, good
we'll
salary.
definitely good a good salary,
Good salary,
and
then
we'll treat
time
like a
to time get salary.
get salary.
If you illegal, this company, they are not giving you time to time salary.
Exactly.
Yeah. If you ask for salary, they are
They'll-
asking
They
go.
will threat you to go somewhere else,
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
and that authority know that
Yeah.
he don't have any power or
Yeah.
authorization to go
Yeah.
somewhere else. He
Yeah.
will be stay there.
Yeah.
That's why they are not giving them salary on
Yeah.
time.
Some people I see, Bangladeshi people, they are not getting like a 5 month, 6 month salary also.
And they are they, you know, they also have family, right?
Yeah, they
They're
have also.
suffering.
I see in Maldives.
As a Bangladeshi, I feel sad for them.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm from a travel agency.
Yeah.
We used to send people abroad the world.
yeah,
Okay?
Yeah.
You'll found by a lot of people,
Yeah.
like Kenneth,
Yeah.
say Malaysia,
Yeah.
Maldives, even Saudi Arabia,
Yeah,
Dubai,
Saudi,
Qatar. You can Ethiopia. So I also send some people here in Maldives,
Yeah.
but I send them with a valid work.
yeah, legally.
Yes.
Yeah, legally.
The company name was Scan Maldives. They came here with a job.
Yeah.
Basic salary was $450.
For yeah,
Basic.
yeah, nice.
And
that
they are
means
getting overtime in
overtime.
every single month.
Yeah,
No authority from Maldives, I
Yeah.
can proudly say that had the power to say, please don't come over.
Yeah.
Because we have valid visa
Visa.
and work permit,
yeah,
and job agreement for 2 years.
for 2 years. Yeah.
Without any crime,
Yeah.
you can't say, please go back to your country.
Yeah.
If he say that, we will take legal action.
Yes.
Because there are problems, right?
Yeah, got it.
You can be in Bangladesh,
Yeah,
suppose, for a
yeah,
job.
Yeah,
In could be hotel management.
yeah, yeah.
If my country's people say that, go back to my country, are you going to Brother, thank you so much for
Yeah,
your time.
welcome, sir.
And I will be happy if you kindly subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yeah,
T-Goal,
seriously.
TGAL.
T?
You will find your interview over there.
Yes,
They are giving an iPhone
yes,
for my subscriber
Yes.
on upcoming December. Right now I have 40,000 subscribers. When it will be 1 lakh, I
Yeah.
mean I will get a silver play button.
Yeah.
On that day, I am going to give a iPhone which will
Yeah.
be latest model, 15 Pro, 16 Pro Max.
okay.
So I'm seriously thankful to you,
Yeah.
brother. Can you please take a photo with him,
Photo.
myself, by my phone? Because I will share
Hey, toilet,
this
I'm
on my
Yeah, boss.
yeah with him. Take
Ah.
near photo.
Together,
Yeah, together. Brother, can you please stand there?
Okay,
Because
no
you
problem.
know the sun is
Yeah, yeah.
light is
very nice.
it's around there. Brother, come here.
Yeah.
Now it's visible, right? Brother, this one, this one. We will use it for and he's taking out photo. Thank you so much for your photo. And this brother is from Nepal. You know, I didn't ask any Bangladeshi for interview. Anyone, because they don't feel comfortable.
Yes.
Which channel you subscribe?
T-Goal, TGAL. Do you have mobile right with you? I'm doing it for you. Go to YouTube. I'm showing you the. So আমরা এখন ওনাকে লাইভ সাবস্ক্রাইবটা করাই দিচ্ছি। Go to YouTube. T G
Space, huh?
yeah G no space just G A L sorry. T no it's okay, no problem. T G A L
EGAL.
A L right. You will find my channel. Just go to search option. Okay, it's TGAL. T for travel, G for good, L for A for apple, L for look. TGAL. Yes, here this one. You can subscribe, and you will get every details. No thanks. No thanks. Okay.
Okay.
All.
All, yeah.
Okay. And you will get my video. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, brother. Thanks a lot.
thank you.
Do you have YouTube? Let me do it for you.
Yeah.
Good. TGAL. If you ever come to Bangladesh, okay,
Okay.
you both are invited in my office. I have my own office in Dhaka, Bonani, in prime area, just beside airport. Whenever you come, just let me know. My car will pick you from airport. Don't worry, it's safe
Thank
place. Seriously,
Thank you.
I have my own residence there. You can stay how many days you want. Okay? Thank you. May I go?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. সো যেটা বলতেছিলাম, ওনারা যেটা বলতেছিল যে হচ্ছে এখানে যারা ইলিগাল বাংলাদেশি আছে ওরা ভালো স্যালারি পায় না, মানে জব করে আপনারা শুনছেন $200 পায়, তাও 3-4 মাসের স্যালারি ডিউ, জাস্ট বিকজ হচ্ছে যে ইলিগাল। সো ভাই যারা ইলিগাল আছেন, ইলিগাল থাকবেন না, এমন মারা খাবেন এইটা আসলে এবং আমাদের টি হচ্ছে রেডি। সো ব্রাদার, আই জাস্ট টুক ইন্টারভিউ অফ নেপালিস এন্ড ওকে, সো আমরা এখন চা খাই এন্ড থ্রো দিস ভিডিও আই এম এগেন রিকোয়েস্টিং যারা মালদ্বীপসে আসবেন ভাই, কাম উইথ লিগ্যাল ভিসা। ইলিগাল থাকলে স্যালারিও পাবেন না, আর কাজের তো মানে এটা না বলি